Yo, does anybody remember the beef in the scientific community between African and white scientists that caused them to stop calling us monkeys? I don't know. I just thought about it right now and I wanted to share. So, if anyone who doesn't know, you remember once upon a time, white people used to call black people monkeys, monkeys. It was a thing, like we were just monkeys. Well, I believe Kenyan scientists now got mad and decided, you know what, fuck this thing. Since you're using racism to be, you're using science to be racist to us, let's use science to debunk it. So African science was Kenyan scientists, African scientists now released a finding, whatever. So if you don't know, human evolution, right? So the closest thing we have to Homo sapiens, which is this current form of evolution, the closest thing we have to Homo sapiens on planet Earth is black people, Africans, specifically West Africans. While white people, it's been found that every living single white person on Earth has Neanderthal DNA in them. So African scientists now flip the script on them, and then in the African community, if you notice, like you got notice Neanderthal is a thing. So when that came out, African scientists were like, "Yo, how can you be out here calling us monkeys when we literally are the only pure Homo sapiens on Earth, and you are the literal monkey? You literally have monkey DNA in you, Neanderthal." So that kind of died down, and it's like white scientists were like, "Yeah, nah, this is an L we're not gonna take." So they went and came back with the ghost DNA. The ghost DNA, if you notice, it's like less than 10 years old. So white scientists came back and said, well, guess what, you Africans? You're not pure Homo sapiens either, because we found a ghost DNA in you that obviously we've not discovered before. That's when Ghanaian scientists came out with their own. And they said, oh, yes, you did find a ghost DNA. The ghost DNA is the next step of human evolution. And that's the reason you can only find it in us, because we're the only pure Homo sapiens. And when it's time to evolve, we will evolve to that ghost DNA, and you monkeys will remain as monkeys. So that's where the conversation ended. And the white scientists, if you notice, they no longer, you have noticed white people no longer use DNA and genes to do racism, because Africans showed them that we're the ones that are supposed to be here. They're Neanderthals.